I don't have lemon. So we're just here. We're just gonna hang out. I figured apple cider is the equivalent to that. I found and then I saw a recipe on Pinterest that also used apple cider instead of lemon, and I felt like a genius. And I stopped reading it after that, but I got the general idea of what I need to do. So if this doesn't work, we're cooking it anyway, so. You may see a KitchenAid in the background. That behind my cat's water thing. It has chicken defrosting in it, and I'm not gonna upset that process. So we're just gonna whisk it. We're gonna whisk it so hard. Calm down. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get an egg. We're gonna beat it. We're gonna kill it. We're gonna beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Oh, beat it. And then we're gonna put olive oil in it. Then we're gonna put mustard, apple cider, vinegar, and then the sea salt. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go get some eggs. Ah! I don't know when to stop whisking it. I don't know when to add the oil. I only read the ingredients list and got encouraged. So I'm not scared, but as of right now, I'm confused why everybody else's mayo is white, and I feel like this is gonna turn out yellow. So we add a little bit of olive oil. I was told not to. I was told to use a different type of oil, but this is hard. Oh! That was a lot. I don't think this is how you make mayo. Like at all. No, I can't. I can't do it. We're gonna try again. But this time, I'm only gonna use egg whites. I think I was misled by just like egg. I think that it's only one part of the egg. I think it's just gonna be egg whites. We got another one. My parents are gonna be like, "Where's all the eggs?" And I'm gonna be like, There are eggs? No! Fudge. So the yolk broke. This doesn't happen on American Test Kitchen! I'm sorry if you came here for mayo. There's a turkey outside. Thanks for God! Screw mayo! Screw everything else! I'm doing what I want! Ho, 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 ho! We're just gonna put the yolk in a cup in case we want it. if I just do the video like this. Oh, we got a soft pink. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Oh, I love her. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Ah! We're going to use a tiny bit of olive oil. I'm going to see if I can make it. I'm going to see if I'm able to make the thing I came here to make. Some mayo. We're going to put a tiny bit. We put way too much of this in before. We're going to put equal amount. Okay. Ah! We're going to put some mustard in now. Again, we're going to put it in the 4th cup teaspoon. I feel like this is going to be the death of the mayo. Between the acidity and everything. I think it looks kind of like a hollandaise sauce. Like it's a little bit yellow, creamy. It's not as yellow as it was before. That was orange. But I think I'm gonna refrigerate this. See what happens in like 30 minutes and come back. So I think in the grand scheme of things, we made something. Is it mayonnaise? No.